Hello, my name is Liam, and this is my math video on fractions. So, here are a few fractions. This is a tenth, this is a fifth, this is a quarter. All these are other fractions. These are a few drawings I made. As you can see here, this square has 4 triangles in it, and one of them is covered up, and that's 1/4 of it. This oval right here, 1/2 of it is filled up, so it's 1/2, and this thing right here is all filled up, so it's one whole. 1/4 of 1 is 0.25, so if you had 4 of those together, it would equal 1, and 1/2 of it is 0.50, so if you had 2, it would equal 1 whole. A fraction is a part of a number and is not a whole number. That was my math video on fractions, and I hope you learned something.